Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Jyothy Labs. Jyothy Lab is the ticker name too, and you are watching the monthly technical chart of Jyothy Labs. And here this is a historical price chart, and each candle here represents 1 month. And these are all the technical indicators, and and these are all the respective graphs generated by these technical indicators. Um, so using which we are going to do the technical analysis for this particular stock. Okay. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern, I can clearly, I can take this point. Since 2011, November 2011 onwards, the stock started moving in the upward direction, continuously making new highs. New high 1, 2, 3, and there is a slight sideways movement. 4, 5, 6, very good. 7, 8, very good. And then right now the stock is undergoing a consolidation phase right now. Okay, you see this small red candle here, that is a November month candle. It's a very slight depreciation of the price. Okay, not much. Very good. And there is a clear trend. You can clearly see. I mean, you can see that there is a clear trend that the stock is doing its level best to move in the upward direction. And after every new making a new high, it is undergoing a consolidation. That's okay. And there are a few sideways movements here and there, but the sideways movements are not spanning across months or years or whatever. It's like I mean, very few sideways movements, but it's okay. But overall, the stock is moving up, and the trend is in the upward direction, and there is strength in the stock to increase the price. I mean, by moving itself up. Okay, that sort of thing is there. That sort of thing we are seeing this clearly in this chart. This is the path pattern that we are expecting, and this is what Jyothy Labs is showing us, and this is what it has been following for quite a number of years. For example, it started its journey in 2011, I think. Yeah, the November 2011, and today it is 2017 November. Okay, nearly 8 years. I mean, nearly 6 years. Completely 6 years. This stock has been following the same path, continuous upward movement. Very good. And let's see actually in 2017 what is the performance of the stock. Okay, in January 2017. Okay, January 2017 the stock was trading at 337, and today it is trading at 391. So you can say, so nearly 50 rupees benefit it has given to its investors, so per share. Okay, that's okay. That's the potential of the stock. So very good. And the stock is right now, I mean, it has already crossed its 20 and 50 day moving average, and it is right now under the influence of positive support now. Very good. And the relative strength of the stock is average at the moment. It is just above the midpoint and below the 80 line. And direction strength of the stock is conversing, is going down actually. Stochastics is okay. I'm seeing the top line on the, I mean, fast line on top of the slow line, and I'm seeing the positive trend right now. But both the lines are playing at the midpoint, so average. And momentum is going down. Actually, it has already crashed. It already entered the negative zone. And the balance of power and elder ray, both are actually, it is like 50-50 kind of thing. The stock is just lying on the baseline. It's like sitting on the wall. This side it is bearish and that side it is bullish, so it is slightly tilted towards bullishness right now, but it is just a tilt, but it is not like completely entering the bullish zone. Okay, that sort of thing the stock is facing right now. The stock is in that position right now. Kopak curve is just lying on top of the baseline. I mean, it is not showing any strength, and it is not showing any movement. Actually, it is making a parallel line to the baseline. So overall, the guiding points of all the indicators are not in a single indicator is at the benchmark level in the positive sense, and whichever indicators are slightly positive, they are all at the average level, and the negative level indicators are showing that in future they are going to reach the extreme level of the negativity. So, and the only positive thing that I'm seeing right now, actually there are two positive things that I'm seeing right now, is the trend, the path, the path pattern. That is one thing, and second thing is the stock is under the influence of positive super trend mode since quite a long period of time. That is the second thing. So I'm pretty sure that this stock, after once this consolidation phase is over, it will again start moving, continuing. It will continue its upward journey following the same trend what it had been following for the past 6 years. And definitely, I mean, right now the indicators are all down, but we hope so that everything will, come at the, I mean, all the critical parameters will reach the benchmark level to push the stock in the upward direction. But at this moment, this stock right now is in the consolidation phase. Okay. Uh, the best thing is like looking at the overall history of the stock, and based on the guiding points and based on the path pattern and super trend. As per me, the stock is good for medium-term investment. That is my conclusion. We will come back to the stock later after a few days, and we will redo the analysis based on new points. And that time we will decide whether the stock can be considered for long-term investment or not. But at this moment, as per me, this stock can be considered for medium-term investment. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.